going to show you how to play Worst Mistakes on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. So this song has like an arpeggiated melody that you could be playing. That's pretty difficult, but if you just want to play it for acoustic, put your capo on 4 and be in standard tuning. A minor is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. E minor is open, 2, 2, open, open, open. E7 is open, 2, open, 1, open, open. And then for F, you can either play the bar chord, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Or you can play it like this, X, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Or you can play it like this, open, open, 3, 2, 1, open. Or you can play it like open, open, 3, 2, 1, 1. You pick which one you like best. I think this one's probably the easiest. Actually, just probably 3, 2, 1. Open, open, 3, 2, 1, open. And then you'll need C. Open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. Strumming pattern would just be down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, just replay the video. You'll get it.